If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Hello and welcome to Flash Kitchen. In today we are making one of the popular street food, the bread chop or bread aloo chop. So let's get started. So the ingredients you need to make the bread chop are roughly about 250 grams or 3 large potato which are boiled then mashed. Then finely chopped 1 large onion, a teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, finely chopped a sprig of curry leaves, roughly about 5 to 6 leaves, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, a quarter teaspoon of chaat masala, or you can also use amchur powder, then some salt to taste, then about a cup of gram flour or besan, a quarter teaspoon of baking soda, and some slices of bread. Now take a bowl and in that add all the besan along with half of the ginger and garlic paste, half of the red chili powder, half of the turmeric, baking powder, coriander powder, and some salt. Now combine these really well with the help of a spoon. Then after that, pour a little bit of water at a time and try to make a mixture. And the consistency of the mixture should be like a dosa batter, which is a little on the thinner side, just like this. Now let it rest for at least 10 minutes. In the meantime, we will make the stuffing. So for that, take a pan, add some oil, and first add the ginger garlic paste and the chopped onions and saute these for about a minute. Then to that add all the spices, the red chili powder, garam masala powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, some salt, the amchur or chaat masala and the curry leaves. Now mix it up really well and roast these for a few seconds. Now lower the flame to medium to low, then add all the mashed potato. So to combine these, you can use a messer or just use a spatula, but do it gently. Then after you get a uniform mixture, just switch off the flame and let it cool down a little. Then take 2 slices of bread and apply a little bit of chili sauce to one and tomato ketchup to the other. Then take a small portion of the potato mixture or the filling and gently press down on one of the slices and align it properly with the side. Then place the other slice by keeping the sauce or ketchup portion at the bottom. Then take a knife and cut diagonally to split this, just like this. Now take one at a time and dip it in the gram flour or besan mixture and coat it really well. Then to fry them, take lots of oil in a pan and set the flame on medium. Then add these and fry for about 4-5 minutes or until they are golden and crisp. And that's it, the street style bread chop or bread aloo chop. Do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.